product. But if you want something to boost your curls, see how it starts to... Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerardo and I love hair. Today I'm doing a DIY deep conditioning mask. So let's get into it. So what you'll need is the flaxseed seeds. I cooked the seeds, you can see them here. I leave a little bit of the gel. I extracted some of the gel to use on my hair eventually when I want to style it. But I cook the flax seeds with some clove just to have like a nice scent. So this is the main ingredient. So I'm gonna put the flax seeds in the blender. In additional to the flaxseed, I'll use an aloe leaf, peeled and taking all the bad stuff. I just kept the gel, so I just put the gel of one aloe leaf. I'm gonna use some honey, organic honey. I don't really know how much to use. You know, I like honey, but the last time I didn't put any honey on it, so I thought why not add the honey, because I love the benefits of the honey. It's very moisturizing and I want to give that to my hair. So approximately like 2 spoons of honey would be okay, I think. Olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. I'll probably put like a spoon of olive oil. And I'm just dumping things in the blender because I'm not gonna do anything besides just blending it until it becomes a cream. And this is another spoon of coconut oil. So just that in there. Well, that's it. And all it's left is to blend until it becomes super smooth and creamy. So let me just do that and I'll show you how it looks. So my hair is done. Now I'm gonna apply the mask. I'm shedding all over. Let me show you how the mask is looking after blending the whole mix of ingredients, the flaxseed, the honey, the aloe and the oils. I pass it through a strainer just to get rid of the solids from the seeds, because the seeds are just gonna blend and it's gonna be very sandy and gritty. So I just put it through a strainer just to get rid of as much of the solids from the mixture, and try to use like a fine strainer that has very tiny little holes. Still feels a little gritty, but not as gritty as it has all the large parts of the seed in here. But all you got is the juices. So it's sort of like a milk. And all I'm gonna do is apply it to my hair from the mid-lengths all the way down to my ends, especially on my ends, because the ends tend to be drier than the rest of the hair. And this mask will moisturize deeply. It's a deep conditioning mask. It will condition and moisturize your hair, and it will make it feel better. This is not, it's a DIY. It's not like it's gonna give you results from a professionally product. But if you want something to boost your curls, see how it starts to look nicer. So if you want something just to boost your curls, and you like DIYs, because I actually like doing DIYs. One of my favorites is the one that I made here with the avocado honey basic ingredients in my DIYs, because I really like honey and I really like avocado and I really like coconut oil on my hair. Not so much, because coconut oil could be a little bit drier. But once a month, I will probably do a mask like this, just to, make my hair feel nicer. So yeah, let me just put it on. Oh, and by the way, I forgot. After I put it to the strainer, because it was very liquidy. I mean, you can use it as it is because it's fine. I put it in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes just to cool it down, because the oils will just get hot in the blender. So that's just me just being careful. It's fine if you use it right away. It's not going to change anything. The only thing, it's going to be colder. It's a little messy, so like I said, I recommend using a shirt you don't mind getting dirty. But yeah, let me just put this on and finger detangle my hair, because you see my hands here are going now very easily. And if I, for example, this side has nothing, if I try to do that here, it gets stuck. My hands get stuck. So yeah, let me just do that, and I'll be back when I'm done. So the first ingredient in the flaxseed hair mask obviously is flaxseed. I already like flaxseed gel. It's very easy to make, and it's very conditioning and moisturizing. I leave some of the gel I extracted from the seeds with them. Flaxseed leaves my hair feeling really nice and soft to the touch. It nourishes the hair, promoting hair growth. It has vitamin E, providing nutrition to the scalp and reduces free radical damages. It also has shine and increases elasticity of the hair. Like I said, it has moisturizing properties because of its rich omega-3 fatty acids, and it also has hydrating properties. So the second ingredient is aloe. I have used aloe a lot before for my skin, and I love and swear to it in moderation. According to my research, aloe has several vitamins, including vitamin C, vitamin E, B12, folic acid, and choline, which is an essential nutrient required for a normal bodily function and for human health. Choline is grouped with vitamin B complex due to its similarities, and in this case, it may help strengthen the hair follicle. Aloe also reduces inflammation and irritation to the scalp, and it has a higher content of water, and it's a natural moisturizer. The third ingredient is honey. I love honey because of its moisturizing and antibacterial properties. Organic honey, it's a natural emollient that helps condition the hair and scalp. It hydrates the hair and scalp. It helps seal the moisture and prevents water loss. Because of its antibacterial properties, it prevents dandruff, and because it's also anti-inflammatory, it helps with the irritation and inflammation of the scalp. What I just found was that it also contains a protein that helps prevent breakage, strengthening the hair follicle, and it also boosts the shine of our hair, helping with the overall appearance. And in the end, it also promotes hair growth. The fourth ingredient is coconut oil. Coconut oil is an occlusive oil. It helps locking in the moisture in the hair and the scalp. It enhances the shine, it softens the hair, helping with the detangling and deep conditioning. And because it's occlusive, it fights against frizz, which is something all of us who have the blessing of having textured hair have to learn with. The last ingredient is extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil nourishes the scalp, conditions the hair, and improves the elasticity of the hair. It is a natural emollient that helps retain the moisture of the hair by sealing it, and it also smoothens the hair. The only thing I have with extra virgin olive oil is that I try to put it on the mids and ends of my hair, avoiding the contact with my scalp, because at least on my skin it creates buildup and makes my hair be super greasy. So I'm done. Barely have any left here. So let me just wipe my hands because it's dirty. It's still gonna be a little gritty because still has some of the leftover of the seed, but I don't think that's gonna cause any trouble. It's just gonna wash out when you shampoo. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna wrap my hair and I'm gonna put it in a plastic shower cap. This like a cream hands. Put a plastic shower cap on, and I'm gonna leave this for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'll shampoo, and I'll be back just to show you my styling and the products I'm gonna be using for styling my hair, and that'll be it. So my hair is freshly washed. Got the mask out. It was super easy to take it off. So let me show you how my hair is looking, because that's the most important part about the mask, is if the hair looks fine. So this is how my hair is looking right after the shower. Look at my curls. And you see there's no residue at all. So, and it smells really good. It smells like a cookie. Anyway, I'm gonna prep my hair. The leave-in conditioner I'm using is the Moisture Recovery Leave-in Curl Milk by Cream of Nature with argan oil. So I'm gonna be prepping my hair with that, and then I'm gonna be using the hydrating styling cream for curly hair from Violan. Again, I did a review of these. I'm gonna leave the link here, and I also did a review of this and a review of my gel, which I'm still using, the Cantu Flexible Hold Anti-Shedding Styling Gel with Honey. Review over here if you want to look for it. But those are the products that I'm basically gonna be using. You know that in the end I'm also using my Heat Protector Smooth and Shine Polisher by Cream of Nature. Really like this, has lasted me for almost 2 years, so it lasts a long time and it's really good. So yeah, those are the products I'm gonna be using for styling my hair. So I'm gonna be back when I'm done and show you the final results of my curls. These are my curls. Let me show you how they are looking. See how bouncy they are now, and they feel very soft because of the mask. So I'm very happy with how they are looking. Let me show you how they look in the back. So yeah, just look at myself in the mirror. Yeah, things that I will keep in mind is to put the blended ingredients, the mixture of the mask, after being blended, put it through a sifter, a very fine mesh sifter, so you can get rid of the solids from the from the mixture in order for you not to have any residue left into your hair, and because it would be difficult for you to get out all those little pieces out of your hair, especially with curly hair. You have to be very careful, and it's almost like sand. So yeah, besides that, I would just think that you should try, and if you try it, comment below what you think about it. I definitely using ingredients that I've already liked, so I'm pretty satisfied with how my curls are looking and how defined they are. I should stop touching it because it's just gonna make it more bigger and more frizzy. But I'm really happy with the results, and my hair feels super soft, conditioned, and moisturized, which is the purpose of the mask. So yeah, I hope you like it. If you try it again, comment below and tell me what you think about it, and if you want me to try any other DIYs, or you want me to try any products that you're interested in, you don't know, you want to see what I think about them, comment below. But thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more of my content, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Remember, you can follow me all across social media, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.